I love feeding the birds in my garden. Wait a minute, that's a strawberry stand. I want that. Hi everybody, it's Robbie from Southern California, and today I'm going to plant strawberries, and I think you're going to get a kick out of the way I'm going to get these strawberries set up. I have done it before. You have to go around and try to pick them, and it's just such a pain, so I didn't actually plant too many strawberries last year. But this year, I am going to do a lot of strawberries. This way that I'm going to show you how to do it, you could do it on a patio, a deck, corner of your yard. You need the littlest space, and you won't have to walk around and try to find all your strawberries. You'll see what I'm talking about. I found this at a thrift store. It was marked $10, but they were having a half price sale. So I got this metal chair. It's a tall stool that swivels for $5. Now I had a seat cushion, and the seat cushion, well, I could have left it on for what I wanted to do, but it will rot out. And thank goodness it had 4 screws that had to come out, Phillips head screws that were easy to remove. I just had to tip it over, unscrew it, and it lifted right out. As far as the back on this chair, so if you found one without a back, it would be perfectly fine. This one is welded in. So I'm just going to leave it, no biggie, because I may end up supporting something on it or tying something on it. It's not going to be in the way. So now I've got a beautiful swivel chair. What do I have? A Lazy Susan. Let me show you how I'm going to set this up, and I think you're going to go, wow, I've got this chair sitting in the house. That's a swivel chair we don't use, and I can set it up. I'm going to set it up here in my rainbow garden, but being that it's metal and not wood, I decided that I am going to use a tote. You're going to go, what? I'm going to put a tote right here, and I'm going to sit the chair in the tote. Look at that. So it's just going to be sitting in there, and the reason I'm going to do that is hopefully when I water it, it's going to water the tote. I'm going to get some good holes in that tote so it will drain well, and I'm going to have strawberries on the top, and who knows, zucchini, squash of any type, pepper, something on the bottom. Now I could, let me show you what I'm going to use. I'm going to use these, and I could just sit it directly like this. There's nothing wrong with that, but you know, I decided since I have so many tote lids, to cut a tote lid. So I cut the tote lid and I notched it out. The reason I notched it is I notched it for the chair. I cut the tote lid in half, notched it, and now it sits here perfectly. Now, we all know what these are. You get these planters at the 99-cent store. These are old. Oh my goodness, they're probably a good 4 years old. And what I did was I ordered some bare root strawberries. And I went ahead, they came in the mail, there were like 25 of them, it was really cheap. And I decided I'm going to plant them in here with the bare root strawberries. So you want to make sure, because bare root, you know, that comes with no soil, you want to make sure the crown is just above the soil. So this way it won't rot the strawberry out. They're really easy, they're really quite forgiving if you made a mistake, and they'll grow. And I planted them all in a whole bunch of them that I've got. This is it. Now, all we're doing is stacking them. Look at this. You can't do anything any easier than this. I'm not even sure how many I want to stack on here. So let's get them on. And let's see, I think I can put another one here. Wow, I don't know. Let's see how heavy we can get, because I haven't put it on yet. Let's get this last one on. These are like 99 cents. At the dollar store. I think I've got one more. That's all I've got is one more. I painted this one blue for fun. Just wanted to see how the blue would come out on it. Came out quite well. That's it. Now, if you had a corner and you wanted to plant strawberries in the corner with a swivel chair, you turn this. You turn it, and if you feel you want some of the strawberries to have more sunlight, that's where the sun is, you can turn this all day. You got strawberries back there and you got a wall here. You turn this and get the strawberries you want. This is just too fun. Look how nice this is. This is staying here, all of those. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tiers. And each one has 3 strawberry plants in it. And on the top, I don't have anything yet. I could plant another strawberry in the middle, or I could put a little flower pot on top and then water the flower pot and it will water everything. Remember, when you water these, they're zigzag. So when you water this one, it waters this one. So when you water this one, it will water the ones underneath. But now you see the water, I can make some holes here. And when I water it, the water will go straight into there. And if it doesn't, it's no big deal. But I could create some holes right here. So when the water comes out from this one, it will go into my tote. And I can plant something down there, get that all full of leaves and paper, scrap paper, and all kinds of stuff from the garden. Fill that tote up, have something growing there. But the most important thing is the chair. You can use any chair. You got a bar stool that you're not using. Sometimes people throw them away and have them on the side of the road. Even a desk chair. You can use a desk chair, you can take that apart and just keep the swivel part, the bottom part, and you can make yourself a beautiful Lazy Susan strawberry planter. Nothing more fun, nothing more easy than making this. And I hope you enjoyed this. This is going to be a blast. And even when I get a lot of strawberries on it, I could put something in the middle and I could drape some tulle over it. And when I'm around, I can take the tulle off, let the bees come and pollinate and do their thing with the flowers. And then at night, I can wrap it with tulle to keep my critters off my strawberries. Have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. And I hope you enjoyed this and have some fun growing strawberries. They're easy to service too. Look at that. Isn't it cool? Definitely have to get a little pot up there. Some decor.